Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to find your Discord user ID. This unique identifier for your account can be useful for various reasons. So first, you need to go ahead and open your Discord application, or you can also go to its official website, which is discord.com, log into your specific account. And after you've done that, go ahead and click on this user settings icon, which is the gear icon to go to your settings option. From here, click on your profile picture or your username icon in the top. This will open your main profile. And to copy your user ID, click on the three dot here, then select copy user ID, and you can paste it anywhere you like. If you do not see the option and you're using the application, you need to go to your user settings option. Then after scroll all the way down, and there you'll get the option of advanced. Then you'll get the option of developer mode right here. And once the developer mode is enabled, you can return to any server or chat where you can see your account. Then after click on your username or your profile picture icon, then select your username or your name to go to your profile. And from here, click on the three dots and select copy user ID. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.